welcome back to my channel. I know I didn't post last week, and that is simply because I didn't have the motivation to edit this video, but I did enjoy filming this video. Anyways, this week's video is kind of different. It is about stress relief activities / tips, and it's just a fun video to do, and it's the end of the year, which there are a lot of projects, but then I'm not sure if posting this video right now is a good thing, but I mean, you always have some kind of stress at some time of the year, so why not? Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. Sometimes the smell of essential oil makes me feel relaxed. I made this wooden star with two of my friends, and one of the corner looks wonky, but I like it. Here I applied a few drops of essential oil onto the wood. The wood will contain the smell of the essential oil, and when the smell runs out, just apply more essential oil onto the wood. Sometimes you can play games just to take your mind off those stressful things. Here are some apps that I recommend. So the first one is Terrarium. Let me make space for it. It is a game like a taps game, or whatever you call it. Basically, when you tap on the plant, it gives you oxygen, which is the currency for the game. And with the currency, you can buy plants, upgrade plants, and boosters. In the shop, you can use crystals to buy more oxygen. Some other features are like the night mode. Overall, I think this game is pretty soothing and the background music is relaxing. The next app is my favorite app. It's called Super Starfish. The music is one of the best part of this game, but I don't know what happened to this recording. It just stopped recording the audio. Anyways, the animation is exceedingly cute, and the game has a lot of features, and it is somehow pretty addicting, but also fun and also soothing. I also like how there are events, and you can gather the tokens when you play the game, and there are also prizes which you get from collecting shells. By the way, shells are the currency of this game. And when your sanctuary levels up, basically more animals, fish, the sanctuary levels up, which expands and you can add new decorations. Here is the album which keeps the animals you've collected and also the new zones that you've discovered. Overall, this game is surprisingly fun and also soothing. And I 100% recommend this game because I love it. The next game is called Idle Garden, and it is a very similar game to Terrarium since it also auto-generates the flowers. In this game, the flowers provides the game currency in which you can upgrade and buy flowers and also buy some other features / decorations. The 5 icons down below to buy things are pretty cute, and it has a very simple design. I also really like the leveling icon. I really like that section since it gives things pretty clear and it's very cute. Talking about leveling up, the only thing I don't like a lot about this game is that it takes a bit of time to level up, and this game is pretty simple. At last, there is this game called Self-Care. This is my second favorite game, in which the illustration is pretty realistic and also pretty aesthetic. The background music just gets me addicted. There are multiple mini games in this app, such as spelling, journaling, doing laundry, growing plants, massaging, petting a cat, and so on. The other cute part about this game is you get to collect aesthetic items in which you can put it on your shelf. Overall, I love how aesthetic. Overall, I really like how aesthetic the illustration is and how soothing the background music and the mini games are. I always find it quite relaxing just sitting there listening to music while I do some coloring. So just take 10 to 15 minutes to color a coloring page when you feel overwhelmed. By the way, I'll provide a link in the description to a coloring page website. it also adds as a great decoration when you hang it up on your wall. My next tip is to give appreciations every single day while you're writing it down in your journal or just thinking out for like a minute a day. I recommend this app called Dailyo. Basically in this app you can add entries and there are icons where you can click how you feel today. Anyways, there are also other icons which is the activities you do today. That icon section is also pretty good for writing down your daily habits. That's it for this tip. Keeping a list of what you like to do or what makes you feel relaxed would also help since you know yourself the best. Here are 3 things I like to do. Enjoying plants, journaling. By the way, pause the video to see the journaling prompts I wrote. And reading. That's it guys for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to watch my future videos, don't forget to subscribe to the button down below. Bye!